This is the Arduino car parking system. This system is designed to improve technology and remove human error and increase efficiency of a parking system. What happens is it tells it using infrared detectors. It detects when a car comes in or goes out, and it tells us how many slots are left in the parking system. So, if a car goes in like this, the gate will open. It will detect that only 4 slots are remaining. Similarly, more cars can go in. As you can see now, 5 cars have gone in and there are no slots left. In this situation, if another car tries to go in, it will tell it that sorry, the parking is full. This will increase efficiency and reduce human error in parking. Now, if a car wants to get out, it can again, the air sensor will detect that another slot is open. Then another car can go in and replace that slot.